See all the bubbles? That's putting oxygen into the water. So as you do that, now the fish have more oxygen.
Nature offers more opportunity for spontaneous, creative play than anything can do. I mean, you'll see birds, fish, turtles, frogs. It really is a constant adventure when we're out there.
We need nature. Nature is there to support, to teach, to play. It's like a tune-up, right? You go off and you're doing, and then a few minutes in nature sort of give you this tune-up of being able to come back to center.
Safety is our #1 priority. We have a lifeguard with us at all times. We only use trails that are managed well for ticks. And for every 2 campers, we have 1 counselor or director. Free play and exploration in nature is essential to every human being.